Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language in Duolingo app. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Duolingo. So once you open Duolingo, click on get started, click on continue, click on continue again. So here you can see different languages. So it is up to you that which language you want to learn. So I'm going to learn the Turkish. So you simply need to select that and click on continue. And so this is the simple process. And now you can see different information related to Turkish language. So here you can see that you need to select how did you hear about Duolingo and you can move on. So this is the process by which you can select the language on Duolingo app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.